Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Halifax online banking app on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Halifax online banking app, go tap open your Play Store for your Android, and if you're using an iOS device, you can tap open your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Halifax mobile banking app. Make a search and you'll be able to find the application displayed on the search result. Tap on the install button to start the downloading process, and there you have your application being downloaded. Halifax is a British banking bank operating as a tradition division of Bank of Scotland. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of Lloyds Bank Group. After the application gets downloaded and installed, simply tap it open to launch it on. That is how you can easily download Halifax online banking application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.